हेलो एवरीवन। आज जो हम करने जा रहे हैं वो है क्लास 9th इंग्लिश बिहाइव बुक के द फन दे हैड के क्वेश्चन आंसर विद वर्ड मीनिंग। सो तनिष्का, आर यू रेडी?
Yes, I'm ready.
ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट। तो फर्स्ट हम करेंगे वर्ड मीनिंग। एग्जिस्ट,
To be in being, अस्तित्व में होना.
वर्चुअल,
Real, वास्तविक.
इमेजिन,
Suppose or think, कल्पना करना.
क्रिंकली,
With many folds, सलवटों वाला.
ऑफुली,
Terribly, भयानक ढंग से.
वेस्ट,
Useless, व्यर्थ.
एटिक,
A space just below the roof used as a store, अटारी.
स्कॉर्नफुल,
Contemptuous, घृणा का भाव होना.
स्लॉट,
A given space, दराज.
गियर्ड,
Adjusted the speed, speed सही करना.
ब्लैंक्ड आउट,
Got plain without any writing, साफ हो गया.
लॉफ्टली,
In a superior way, विशिष्ट अंदाज में.
स्क्रीम्ड,
Cried loudly, जोर से चिल्लाया.
एडजस्टेड,
To make set, समायोजित करना.
प्रोबेबली,
Possibly, संभाव्यता.
नॉनचैलेंटली,
Not showing much interest, अनिच्छापूर्वक.
टग्ड,
To fold or put, दबाना.
एक्सेप्ट,
Excluding, के सिवाय.
lit up,
Lighted, प्रकाशित होना.
flashing.
Shining, चमकना.
So guys, now we are going to start important question and answer. How was the book that Tommy found different from his own books?
The book that Tommy found was an old, real book which belonged to his grandfather's grandfather. It had crinkly yellow pages, whereas Tommy's books were tally books by mechanical teachers and computers.
Second question, what kind of book did Tommy show to Margie?
The book that Tommy showed to Margie was an old, real book which belonged to his grandfather's. It was crinkly yellow pages, and all the stories were printed on the paper, and the words stood still.
स्टूडेंट्स, ये जो हमने वीडियो बना रहे हैं, ये वीडियो बनाने का मेन मकसद है कि आपको इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन मिल सके और इसको समझ सके। इससे पहले मैंने इसकी समरी को पूरा का पूरा एक्सप्लेन किया था। डिस्क्रिप्शन में इसकी समरी का लिंक है, प्लीज़ उस समरी को आप देखें, उसके बाद ही इस क्वेश्चन आंसर पर आएँ। यहाँ पे आपको वर्ड मीनिंग पहले इसलिए करा दिया गया है ताकि आप इसके एक एक मीनिंग को समझ सकें और प्रॉपर तरीके से क्वेश्चन को आंसर को याद कर सकें। तो चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, वाई डिड मार्गी होप दैट द काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर वुड टेक अवे हर मैकेनिकल टीचर?
Margie hoped that the county inspector would take away her mechanical teacher because she had performed poorly in all the geography tests and had developed a strong disliking for the school.
Question number fourth, Tommy thought the old books were funny and a big waste. Why?
Tommy thought that the answer Tommy thought that the old books were a waste because the words stood still and did not run. He also thought that they were a big waste because they could not be reused like the screen of their mechanical teacher.
Question number fifth, what did County Inspector do to improve Margie's performance?
The county inspector found that the geography sector had been geared too quick. He slowed it up to an average 10 years level. He found the overall pattern of Margie's quite satisfactory.
Sixth question is, why did Margie hate school?
Margie hated school, which was a room in her house only because her teacher was mechanical one. It kept giving her test papers where answers had to be written as punch codes. The results were given intentionally.
Question number seventh is, why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? What did he do?
Margie was not performing well in her geography test. The county inspector took the teacher apart and put it together again as its geography sector was geared a little too quick.
Question number eighth is, in spite of all comforts and luxuries in today's world, our grandparents still cherish their own time when life was quite tough. Give your own views regarding this is 80 to 100 words.
So our grandparents lived during the years of 1950s to 1970s. At that time, life was very simple yet tough. They had time to explore the surroundings and the world. They had parks to play with, less of population around them. Mechanical gadgets were there but were used only for necessary activities. There were rivers where they could go for picnics and trek without the fear of being getting any allergy. The school were more of a fun place where they met their friends. They studied but were not competing against each other. For them, togetherness was important rather than competition. In today's world, we are competing against our friends. We have the facilities of life, but we do not have time for our family and friends. We like to play but computers and playstations rather than with our siblings and friends.
ये जो लास्ट क्वेश्चन था काफ़ी लॉन्ग था, लेकिन ये आपके लिए केस स्टडी के लिए बनाया गया है। वैसे जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 तक मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं। अगर आप 8 और 9 नहीं भी करते हैं तो आप 7 तक ज़रूर लर्न कर लीजिएगा। और ये जो क्वेश्चंस हैं, लास्ट वाले जो क्वेश्चंस हैं, ये केस बेस्ड स्टडी पे आते हैं। लेकिन अगर आप चाहें तो उसको कर लीजिए, क्योंकि लेकिन आपको अगर स्टोरी पूरी क्लियर है तो आप इन क्वेश्चंस को आसानी से कर सकते हैं। बट जो नहीं याद करना चाहते हैं, प्लीज़ वो 7 क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 तक कर लीजिएगा, क्योंकि ये सारे क्वेश्चंस आपके एग्ज़ाम में आने वाले हैं और ये ज़रूर रहेंगे, क्योंकि ये मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं जो कि रिलेटेड टू लेसन 1 से है। तो चलिए हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9। हाउ वाज मार्गी स्कूल डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द स्कूल्स दैट एग्जिस्टेड हंड्रेड ऑफ ईयर्स एगो?
Margie's school was at home. She had a mechanical teacher, tally books. No other students were there in the class, and work was fed in by the mechanical teacher by punch codes, whereas the old schools had proper buildings, many students, human teachers who gave homework and asked questions. Everyone learned the same things, and books were of papers. So it is clearly visible that Margie's school was totally different from the schools that existed hundreds of years ago.
तो स्टूडेंट्स, आपको आज की वीडियो कैसी लगी? अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और ज़्यादातर लोगों तक शेयर कीजिएगा, ताकि वो आसानी से इस क्वेश्चन को याद कर सकें और अच्छे मार्क्स लेकर आ सकें अपनी क्लास 9 के एग्ज़ाम में। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।